Hi folks. You know, in some of my Sea Shepherd videos, I have been urging the suckers around the world to continue to donate to Sea Shepherd so the fugitive can stay a fugitive. It's rather expensive to keep this fugitive a fugitive. What with legal fees, bribes, and fuel for the vessel that he's supposedly inhabiting at the moment. It costs money, kids, and the only way they're going to get this money now is from you, the sucker minions around the world. It has gotten to the point now to where Sea Shepherd has put out a wish list. Yeah! They need items, provisions for their vessels to embark upon the anti-whaling efforts to take place shortly. That's it, kids. And they, on this wish list, they have items listed into two areas. One for their new vessel, the Sam Simon, I think it's called. And the other one for the Steve Irwin. There's nothing listed for the other two vessels. I guess they're on their own. But if you folks would cough up the money and stop being so cheap, these people would not have to go begging. Don't you have pride in the cult group that you belong to? Here, I'm going to show you a partial list of the items that they're begging for the Steve Irwin. The fugitive needs, keys. But you know what was missing on that list, which I think the fugitive captain will need? These. You know what these are? Keys to these. So if you got any spare ones, handcuff keys lying around, send it to the good captain. Excuse me, send it to the good fugitive. Part with your money, will you? Stop being so cheap. We'll see you. God bless you. God bless America. And God bless the nation you happen to be in. See ya.
Ha 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 ha!